So the boys picked what may be one of our last watermelons for the season. We're gonna slice it up and have it with breakfast. Have y'all seen this trend? Because apparently it's the new craze. But we have some of our leftover chili and just made the kids some corn dogs, split them down the middle, and they're going to top them instead of a hot dog with chili like this. I don't eat corn dogs, so I don't know how this is going to be, but I'll let y'all know what Michael and the kids think. That's just super strange to me, but apparently it's the new way to eat a chili dog. Okay, y'all, so I'm not sure if you can hear the rain, but it's coming, and we need to get dinner going in the crock pot. We were going to have Alice Springs chicken, like the Outback copycat, tonight, but my mushrooms have gone bad, so now we're having a dish that my sister sent to me, and she's been asking me to try. So here it is. This is her creamy chicken chili. The chicken that I was going to use for our Alice Springs chicken, but down in the bottom, it's 4 small, thin-cut chicken breasts. Her recipe calls for 2 large, boneless, skinless chicken breasts. So I'm thinking that's going to be about equal. And then a can of corn that's been drained. A can of black beans that's been drained, but not rinsed, just drained. And I'm not sure what it is about the black bean and corn combination, but we really seem to like it. And then a block of cream cheese. I add in a can of rotel. I'm using the original. And then our spices. So let's see. She said a teaspoon of cumin, tablespoon of chili powder. So I'm just going to do 3 teaspoons because that's equal to a tablespoon. So I don't have to mess up an extra measuring. 1, 2, 3. A teaspoon of onion powder. There we go. And a pack of ranch dressing mix. And since I don't use the packets, I use the mix, it's going to be about 2 tablespoons. So we're going to need 6 teaspoons. So 1, 2, and simple as that. Now she did recommend, or she did say cook it on low for 6 to 8 hours. I don't cook my chicken for that long because it's going to end up dry. So we're going to go low for about 6 hours and check it. It should be done at that point. But if not, we could always go longer than that. And really, there's no point in me stirring it right now because it's all just going to stick to my spoon. I'm going to let it cook for at least about an hour, and then I'll come back and stir all of it together. Okay, y'all. So the creamy chicken chili is all done. And it is super yummy. I feel like it's missing just a little bit of something. I just can't put my finger on it. I am going to shred up some of my cabbage I have in the fridge and add to it just because I want some extra crunch in with it. I know that's not what most normal people would put with the chili, but it's very yummy. It's just, to me, I feel like it needs one more thing to make it like amazing. And maybe for you sour cream people, that's what it is. I can't do sour cream like that. I can cook with it all day long. And maybe if I mixed it in, that would work well. I might try a bite of Eleanor's if she put sour cream on hers today. But it turned out really good. One thing I really love about this, I'm going to stop saying really, I promise. But one thing I love about this is it didn't make something that's got like 50 cups where you don't know what to do with the leftovers. It made just enough for the 4 of us, and that was perfect. Like, I loved having just enough for us and maybe just a tad more if somebody wants a second bowl. But Summer, you did good. Thank you. Definitely one to keep, and we'll keep playing with it. But I think some cabbage in it to give it some crunch for me, and maybe if y'all like sour cream, some sour cream on top just to give it a little bit of something more. So thank y'all for joining us today with our little quick meals. We definitely had fun, and we will see y'all in the next one.